Welcome to Assessment of Opportunities and Priorities for Restoration, your guide to identifying where, why, and how to focus ecosystems restoration efforts. Whether you are working on a national strategy, designing a local project, or advising on policy, one thing is clear. Not all degraded ecosystems can or should be restored the same way everywhere. This journey will help you assess the level of degradation across ecosystems, determine their restoration potential, and identify reference ecosystems to guide your actions. Let's begin where every good restoration plan starts, understanding what's broken and where. Because you can't restore what you don't fully understand.